Sit down. Can you hear John get here? Eh? Sit down also. Uncle Wagana. Can you hear John get here? Eh? Later now you come and want to kiss me with that mouth. Will you? Tinubu, what's your problem? Who is playing with you? Who is playing with you? Eh? You use your mouth to go and pick that rubbish. You have to apologize. Look at you. Oh yeah, come. Don't do that next time, okay? Okay? All right. Oh yeah, sit. Good boy. Good boy. Next time you go and pick anything, any such rubbish, I will drill hell out of you. Is that understood? Do you understand what I'm saying? You mustn't pick anything except I'm the one who orders you to pick that thing up. You don't go and pick whatsoever with your mouth. Do you want to get yourself contaminated with viruses? Look at me, I'm talking to you. Look here. Tinubu. What the fuck is wrong with you? Oh yeah, come. Come. Up. But you know I love you. You know I love you. So you don't go pick rubbish, okay? You see? Now you use your mouth to come and kiss me with my hand. Yeah? You see? I'll go get you something to eat now. Alright? Yeah, I'll get you something to eat.